How to fix FaceTime is grayed out on your iPhone. So if you're unable to click on the FaceTime icon, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve the issue. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see FaceTime and click on this. Now just make sure FaceTime is turned on and enabled like so. You could then head back over to the main settings page. Now scroll down to screen time and click on this. Scroll down to content and privacy restrictions and make sure content and privacy restrictions are turned off like so. You'll then need to go and find the contact that you're trying to FaceTime. Now if you don't have this contact in your contacts list, you'll need to click on create new contact and then just make sure to add them to your phone book before trying to FaceTime this person. Now, if you have tried these steps and it's still not working, then open back up your settings, scroll down and click on General, and then scroll down the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset, and just press Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode, and once your settings have been reset, you can check to see if that solves the issue. You'll also need to make sure that the person you're FaceTiming has a device that's compatible with FaceTime. So this could be another iPhone or basically any Apple product, just to ensure that this person can receive FaceTimes on their own device.